close your eyes. Give yourself a moment to settle into your body. Maybe arch your back a bit as you inhale and release, coming to a loose, comfortable position. Notice if there is any tension in your body, and go ahead and tell that part of your body, you are free. You are free. You are free. Notice your breath and the way it draws air in, the oxygen vitalizing your body, and the way you exhale, releasing everything which does not serve you. Now, imagine that there is a door in front of you. It's a wooden door with a rounded top. It looks heavy and old, as if many people have walked through it before. There is a small window in the door with sunlight beams pouring through it. You reach for the doorknob, and with a pleasant squeak, it turns in your hand. The door opens easily, and a flood of sensations come to you. You realize you are outside. A dirt path is in front of you, leading through a sunlit forest. Leaves, twigs, and grass crunch as you move forward. The smell of cedar and of fresh rain is in the air. The air is crisp and clean, filling your lungs with healing oxygen. Birds twitter to one another in the tree canopy above you. Look up. Can you see them? Squirrels chase each other down the trunk of a nearby tree. You walk along the path, winding around the tree trunks. As you walk, your arms swing comfortably at your sides, and your legs find an easy stride. It feels good to walk like this. The sun makes dappled shadows through the leaves, which gives the forest a cool and even temperature. A slight breeze kisses your cheeks, and you smile as it sends a gentle ripple through your clothes. The smaller tree branches sway, their leaves rustling as the breeze pays them a visit too. You notice now that the terrain has changed slightly. Large, moss-covered rocks break up the tree line. The path begins to incline a bit, and occasionally you have to step over a wayward root. You come to a steep but short wall of boulders. It is just tall enough to block your sight ahead. The boulders are cool to the touch, not quite damp. You wonder how long they've been here. It seems like a long time. The roots of nearby saplings have embraced them, giving you a solid handle should you decide to climb it. You try a promising-looking foothold and begin to climb over the boulder. It feels good using your body like this, your arms and legs working together to pull yourself up and over to the other side of the rocky obstacle. As you gently touch down onto the earth, you are met with an older-looking forest. The trees are big, very big. You couldn't even wrap your arms around one. The bark is a reddish brown and soft. It smells earthy and clean in that natural way that only the forest can. You notice the faint sound of water babbles gently in the distance. You follow the sound. This forest seems ancient, as if these trees have had centuries' experience being the best trees they could be. A sense of wisdom and knowing perspective is in the air. As you head toward the sound of water, a butterfly slowly dips across your path. Its beautiful satin wings soundlessly catching the breeze. Looking closely, you can see the butterfly's undercarriage is dusted with golden pollen, leaving a sparkling trail behind it as the pollen catches the sunlight. While you watch the butterfly disappear into the undergrowth, the path opens up before you into a small clearing. Bright green grass and wildflowers decorate the forest floor. Just ahead is the source of the water sounds. A shallow, sparkling stream babbles across the clearing. You step to the edge and get a better look. The water is crystal clear, and it bubbles over smooth, dark stones. You kneel down and cup the water in your hands, splashing it on your face. It's cold and refreshing after the exertion of climbing the boulder. You notice a fallen log to your right, providing a convenient bridge to walk across the stream. You step up onto the log, and as you do, a small, smooth-backed frog leaps from the log into the stream. You watch the frog's legs stretch, and as its body becomes long and graceful, it floats easily down the gentle current. You cross the stream along the large, solid trunk and hop down off the other side. The sun hits your face, and you stand there for just a moment, allowing it to warm your cheeks and dry the last drops of water from the stream. You are safe and content in this friendly forest. As you continue to walk along the path, you feel the effects of this long walk in your body. You're getting a bit tired from the exertion. In the distance, you can see purple, snow-capped mountains lining the horizon. You spot a moss-covered embankment off to your left. The spongy green moss is velvety to the touch, and you go ahead and sit down on it. Tiny white flowers break up the moss, swaying gently in the breeze. Within arm's reach is a bush. Dew-covered red raspberries cover the bush. You reach out and pluck one, examining it in your hand. It looks almost like a gem. You pop it into your mouth. It's tart but sweet. The tiny seeds roll around on your tongue. The moss is springy and comfortable, inviting you to lay back upon it. It isn't wet like you might expect, but dry. You can see the setting sun giving off a lovely pinkish shine through the tree branches. The leaves wave at you, rustling as the wind gives them life. You breathe in a big gulp of cool and refreshing forest air as you close your eyes. You can still see the sunshine through your eyelids, warm, golden red. You know that you can come back to this secret healing spot whenever you wish. The forest will always welcome you back.